Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share how I got my Europe visa in only 10 days. Yes, only in 10 days. So let's go through all the process and check how you can get your European visa within just 10 days. Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel where we talk about everything travel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be talking about how I got my Europe visa in only 10 days. So if you want to know how you can also get your visa in just 10 days, then please watch this video till the end, because in this video I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks that will help you out and you can get your visa easily and fast. First of all, before starting anything, you should have some basic documents ready. So what are those basic documents? The first document is your passport. Make sure that your passport is clean, there are no pages torn or nothing written on it. And also make sure that your passport has at least 6 months of validity from the day you are applying for your visa. Second, you need to have a flight ticket. It doesn't necessarily have to be a return ticket. You could have a one-way ticket as well, but make sure that your first entry in Europe should be within 90 days from the date of entry. Third, you need to have proof of accommodation. Now this could be a hotel booking, or if you're staying with someone else, you have their address and their ID proof as well. Fourth, you need to have travel insurance. This is mandatory for every country in Europe. And the fifth thing you need is your visa fee. Now this depends on the type of visa you are applying for and also which country you are applying from. For more information, you can visit the official website. So once you have all these documents ready, you can start your process. First of all, you need to decide which country you want to apply from. Each country has its own embassy or consulate. Like for Spain, you can apply from India. For France, you can apply from India. But if you want to apply from another country, you can do that as well. So first thing you need to decide is from which country you want to apply. Second, you need to decide which visa type you want to apply for. There are mainly 3 types of visas: airport visa, transit visa, and short stay visa. Airport visa is for people who just want to pass through an airport in Europe. Transit visa is when you want to visit another country via Europe. And the third one is a short stay visa. With this visa, you can visit any of the European countries and you can stay there for a maximum of 90 days. So I applied for the short stay visa. Once you have decided which visa type you want to apply for, you need to start filling the application form. Like I said, I applied for the short stay visa, and for that I had to fill the form. Now this form has to be filled in full caps, only in English, and you can either fill it online or take a printout and fill it manually. So I took a printout of the form, filled it manually, and then went to the VFS center for my appointment. Next step is to book your appointment. So you need to book an appointment at the VFS center. Now this is a very important step, because if you don't book your appointment on time, then you won't get your visa on time as well. So try to book your appointment as soon as possible. The next thing you need to do is pay your visa fee. You can do this either online or by going to the bank personally. But whichever method you choose, make sure you have your payment receipt ready, because this is something you need to submit at the VFS center. Now you can book your slot for the VFS center. For that you need to go to the website and select your country and then select the city. After that you can see all the available slots. So just pick up a convenient slot and book it. Now you need to gather all your documents together along with the form that you filled and go to the VFS center on the date of your appointment. At the VFS center you need to submit all your documents and pay your visa fee if you haven't done it already. Then they will take your biometrics like your fingerprints and photograph. Now remember to wear something with long sleeves, because they only accept appointments between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and only on working days. So check out the working days beforehand and book your appointment accordingly. After that you need to wait for your visa. The normal processing time is around 15 days, but as I said, I got my visa in only 10 days. Now there could be a million reasons why I got my visa in only 10 days. Maybe the staff liked my file, or maybe they were just free. But the point is, you can still get your visa in 10 days. If you want to check the status of your visa, you can log into your account or contact the customer support for more information. And finally, when you get your visa you need to activate it. For that you need to go to the official website, click on visa information, then select the country, and here you will find a link to activate your visa. Click on the link, enter your details and activate your visa. So this is how I got my Europe visa in only 10 days. But there are a few things that you need to keep in mind before traveling to Europe. So what are those things? First of all, you need to have a Schengen visa if you want to travel to any of the 26 countries in the Schengen area. Secondly, you need to have sufficient funds to support yourself during your trip. The amount should be around 30 euros per day, and you should have a bank statement to prove it. Thirdly, you need to have a return ticket. Your flight should be out of the Schengen area. If you want to extend your trip, you need to apply for a long-term visa. Now let's come to the most important thing: how much does this visa cost? So the cost of this visa depends on the country you are applying from. For example, if you are applying from India, the cost of the visa will be different than if you were applying from Nepal. If you want to check the cost of the visa, you can visit the official website and select your country from the drop-down menu. Once you select your country, you can see all the information related to the visa, including the cost. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions regarding the visa process. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.